The U.S. Federal Reserve this Wednesday kept its benchmark interest rates unchanged at the record low level of near zero as the economic recovery continues amid growing concerns over inflation surge. According to the statement released by the Fed, progress on vaccinations has reduced the spread of COVID-19 in the U.S. Amid this progress and strong policy support, indicators of economic activity and employment have strengthened. U.S. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell also spoke about inflation at a virtual news conference this week.
Inflation has come in above expectations over the last few months. The timing of that is pretty uncertain, and so are the effects in the near term. But over time, it seems likely that these very specific things that are driving up inflation will be temporary. That we'll see increases in supply over coming months as the factors that we believe have been suppressing supply abate, wane, move down.
Median forecast among Fed officials calls for a 3.4% inflation by the end of this year, 1 percentage point up from the March projection, according to the Fed's latest summary of economic projections released this week. The central bank also pledged to continue its asset purchase program at least at the current pace of $120 billion per month until the economic recovery makes substantial further progress. At the news conference, Powell was reluctant to send out clear signals on the timeline to taper its bond buying program.
I expect that we'll be able to say more about timing as we see more data, basically. There's not a lot of more light I can shed on that. But you can think of this meeting that we had as the talking about meeting, if you like. At coming meetings, the committee will continue to assess the economy's progress toward our goals and will give advance notice before announcing any decision. The timing, of course, Ilan, will depend on the pace of that progress and not on any calendar.
Despite being bullish on the economy, the Fed chair told reporters we are still not out of the woods.
In my thinking, it would be premature to declare victory. Vaccination has a ways to go to get to levels. It would be good to see it get to a substantially higher level. And that can only help